Hyperbaric chamber. Pero atong gibutang sa usa ka lugar nga angay probiyag ug naay aksidente sa bends or the likes sa nearest, because the biggest attraction nato dire is Apo Island.
Aksyon! Balita!
Amo na yung very meron mag ako pasabot na ang kanang ilang mga reaction sa basa is very myopic ba. Dili childlike, mura yung bata. Ay pa childish kay bata nga ang ilang una kani bata. No? Imagine for the longest time, no? I was really working to bring in here a brand new, honest to goodness, genuine, kanibang hyperbaric chamber, no? To improve the tourism industry in the province of Negros Oriental. And also, to help kanibang who are very conscious about beauty, health, magamit ng hyperbaric chamber. Pero atong gibutang sa usa ka lugar nga angay probiyag ug naay aksidente sa bends or the likes sa nearest, because the biggest attraction nato dire is Apo Island. So atong gibutang dito because nanay palayo man na sila, because every single minute counts. If you get the bends that you are brought to the hospital and subject ka o kanibang decompression chamber or hyperbaric chamber, di ba? That is I'm a diver myself, I know. O if I go to a certain place, nakabalo ko na ay hyperbaric chamber niya or decompression chamber for that matter, no, I'll be very safe. If something happens to me, I have a chance to be alive. Kaya wala, within 3 or 4, 5 hours, dili ko masulod niya, patay. So that alone is gonna bring in plenty of tourists in Negros Oriental, because all scuba divers, knowing that we will have a hyperbaric chamber, they will flock here because they will feel secure. No, security silang kinabuhi. Naigo, ma-benz ka, within 3 to 4 hours, dili ka masulog hyperbaric. Or you call that before decompression chamber, you're dead. You're dead. Yeah. Nitrogen bubbles go to your brain, that's it, you're dead. You have to dissolve that back into air. No, get it out from your system. Muna importante. That is the look, I know this because, Susko, I've been a scuba diver for the longest time. Karon na lang ni para ko kay, you get older, so you get weaker, so you don't have that much power, especially to go against the current. There are strong currents. Ay, so na, we dive ra, manual pa ito na, karon puro na ron ka, ito na computerized, karon manual ito mo pag-compute sa amuang, taga-dive na mo, pila may kaminuto dito, plano sa among depth, asa mo para, so decompress, then go up slowly, then decompress na po may, karon it's all computerized, but no matter what, no, we are not perfect, we're just human beings, we can commit mistakes, meaning to say, that hyperbaric chamber is there ready for you. Or decompression chamber. So on our time, we call it decompression chamber. Now, much modern, they call it hyperbaric chamber. The same old machine. That is there to save lives. And that is going to definitely bring plenty of scuba divers all over the world. That they know, if something happens to them, there is this chamber waiting for them. At a very short distance ba. Apo, in less than an hour, you're already, if something happens to you in Apo, if you surface, and in less than an hour, in 45 minutes or 30 minutes, you're inside a hyperbaric chamber na. Your life will be saved. Helicopter pa kabot. Di ba ka makasangir pa na? Helicopter pa, gani kakabot, pinap-expense mo. To get helicopter kami, 150,000, patay. That is, so in other words, ang komentaryo, childlike, really childish, childlike. They do not know what it is. They do not understand what a hyperbaric or a decompression chamber is, and the value of it in saving lives. Number one atong tira is to save lives. Bahala na cost. Kinahanglan, o makasave na cost ka kinabuhi, atong isave sa kinabuhi. Kung nilabing importante din.
Aksyon! Balita!